Gotify versus ntfy, which notification service is better? Choosing the right notification service can completely change how you stay informed without missing important alerts. Gotify and ntfy both offer unique features for delivering notifications efficiently. Gotify and ntfy are open source notification services designed for real-time alerts. The core difference lies in their architecture and delivery methods. Gotify uses a server-client model focused on simplicity, while ntfy emphasizes flexibility with MQTT and HTTP protocols. Gotify is a self-hosted notification server that allows users to send push notifications to multiple devices. It works by running a lightweight server that clients connect to via apps or API calls. Notifications can include titles, messages, and optional images or sounds. Gotify's strengths include easy setup, a clean web interface, and support for multiple users and applications. It also features authentication to keep notifications private. However, it requires hosting your own server, which may be a limitation for users unfamiliar with server management. Gotify is ideal for individuals or teams looking for a straightforward, self-hosted solution that integrates with custom workflows and automation tools, offering control over data and delivery. ntfy is a versatile notification service that supports sending messages via HTTP, MQTT, and other protocols. It can be self-hosted or used through public servers, giving users flexibility in deployment. ntfy focuses on simplicity while providing advanced features like topic subscriptions, message retention, and integration with various automation platforms. Its strengths include broad protocol support, easy command line usage, and the ability to send notifications from scripts or IoT devices. On the downside, ntfy's user interface is minimalistic, relying heavily on third-party clients or integrations for rich experiences. This makes it better suited for users comfortable with command line tools or who need flexible notification delivery across different environments. ntfy is best for developers and power users seeking a lightweight, extensible notification system with multiple ways to publish and subscribe to messages. Gotify and ntfy both excel in delivering notifications but cater to different needs. Gotify's server client model offers a polished interface and user management, making it great for teams wanting an all-in-one notification hub. Its limitation is the need to manage your own server and clients. ntfy's strength lies in protocol flexibility and ease of integration with automation and IoT setups, though it lacks a rich native UI and depends on external clients for user interaction. For a small team or individual wanting straightforward push notifications with control, Gotify is ideal. For developers needing protocol versatility and lightweight messaging across devices or services, ntfy stands out. Choosing depends on whether you prioritize user-friendly management or flexible protocol-driven messaging. Choose Gotify if you want a simple, self-hosted notification server with an intuitive interface and user management for team or personal use. If you need a flexible, protocol-rich notification system for automation or IoT, ntfy is the better choice. Both services offer reliable notifications, so pick based on your technical comfort and specific use case to stay informed effectively.